just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all aligned. I just need one night. I just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all aligned. We do what we like. I just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all aligned. I just need one night. I just need.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. For today, we are out in the deep blue. We're off the coast of Western Australia. Just cruising along to find some ground at the moment, sitting around that 30 metre mark, and certainly chasing the demersals today, always after that elusive jewfish, but certainly ball chin or a snapper or something like that won't go astray either. Ooh, on. Big or small?
No, not huge.
Huh?
Yeah, got a bit of a hog bite.
No, yeah, it's starting to pull a little bit, isn't it?
Issue.
Taking a little bit.
It's the bloody.
Ooh. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Oh, there's a bit of jewfish bait.
Lollipop.
A lollipop. It's definitely got a little bit of weight to it.
Yep.
Rod Dog's on the net. He's always good for a net.
Could be a bluefish, I can see it.
What do we got?
Got a snapper. Got a bully.
List all the fish in the ocean, Rod. Definitely a lot of silver in it, Shauno. Oh!
Baldy.
That's the one I want.
Oh, look at that. It's a nice one. Beautiful.
Good eating that stuff.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. First drop, not bad. Very good. First drop, Sean was onto one straight away there, so just circling back around.
No squid though, he took the tenner.
Oh, I might have it, Shawnee. Yeah.
Guilty. Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy. There you go.
Oh, it's still on. It's swimming up or something.
Is it? Is it off? It's gone off. It's gone.
Is it going off? No way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dropped straight back in there.
Ah.
Hey, fuck. What's up?
Ah. Oh.
A bit of weight to it.
Definitely.
Yes.
On for a goodie?
Maybe. That's a good. Good boy. Anyway, good luck. Good boy. Get there, Jimmy James.
Dropping down.
shaker.
Yeah.
Baldy.
Another baldy. He's not going crazy, he's not thinking it's a Jew.
See in. Just see in.
Not in the net. Yep, we'll get the net. Here he comes.
What have we got?
Baldy, I reckon.
Baldy's the call.
Yep, it's a baldy. Yep.
There's another one there too.
Yeah,
Is it following it up? Shark following it? What's that? No, or did it just do a poo?
Just shot everywhere. Baldy, nice one, Dad.
Good one, very good one, Rod Dog.
Yote. I think there was.
Give it a measure, Poppy.
There, what's that?
About 53, yeah, 53 centimetres. It's a nice one. Hold it up, Pop. Ripper. Very good. Nice one, Rod Dog.
Oh, no.
Wind has started to strengthen a little bit. It was really strong from the east this morning, and it has now turned around to the south. So probably only another couple of more drops before we'll need to head home. Where we are, where we're launching, and where we need to retrieve from. It's really difficult to get the boat back on if the wind is strong, and certainly a bit of surge on the beach. So just have another couple of drops, and we'll see how we go from there. Back on dry land now. Unfortunately, that wind did come up really quickly, and it was time to sort of hit the road, and we got back into the beach. It wasn't too bad back on the beach in terms of getting the boat on, so that was pretty good. Just filleting the fish and sorting that out at the moment. Pretty good little session. We're only out there for 2 hours. The window is only ever going to be pretty small with the wind situation, so probably a couple of hours out on the water. Just the 2 ball chin, and for me it's Donuts McGee again, as I missed out. Not sure what that fish was that I had on, but it definitely felt good. Unfortunately though, nothing on the boat for me. Thanks very much for watching. For more deep sea action, check this video out for a beast 85 centimetre jewfish. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us out.